Now, if I do complete this one, this will be my 150th food challenge win, so almost to 200. So very exciting. Hey everybody, welcome to another food challenge video. Today I'm in Cleveland, Ohio. I am at Guthrie's, about to attempt their Gutbuster Chicken Fingers challenge. Now I'm very excited about this challenge for a number of reasons. First reason being this will be my first chicken fingers challenge. Challengers have 30 minutes to finish a bucket of their chicken fingers, which contains around 25 of them. In addition to finishing the chicken, you also have to finish 5 sauces. Now I have heard these sauces are a little bit spicy, so I'm a little nervous about that, but we'll see what we can do. I heard the chicken here is delicious and I cannot wait to try it. If you do complete it, you still have to pay for the meal. I think it's around $20, $25, but you get a cool t-shirt, go up on their wall of fame, and a trophy. And the trophy, I believe, is of a chicken, claiming you beat the challenge, which is really cool. There's been many attempts over the years, many winners, so I'm definitely looking forward to giving this one a shot. Now, if I do complete this one, this will be my 150th food challenge win, so almost to 200. So very exciting. Let's go inside, check this place out. Just tell me when you want me to start.
Whenever you're ready.
All right, 1, 2, 3, go.
That's good. It's like a pepper ranch. Still a little hot, but good. I'm gonna get a few out because they're still a little hot. So we're a little over halfway done.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to another food challenge video, where today I'm trying my first chicken finger challenge and looking to get my 150th overall food challenge win. Now let's get this out of the way first. I was seriously fanboying at this restaurant. For those that don't know, I'm a huge fan of the TV shows Breaking Bad and Better Call Saul. and this place just gave me Los Pollos Hermanos vibes. No, I didn't see Gustavo Fring or Walter White, but I did eat some pretty good chicken. Were you a fan of these shows? Let me know down in the comments. Guthrie's is a chain that is located mostly in the southern US. And at the time of posting this video, the location I did this challenge at is now permanently closed, unfortunately. For those that don't know, a chicken finger is not actually a chicken finger. It is a piece of chicken that is breaded and deep fried.
The 8 pieces left.
The sauces were required for the challenge, and honestly, it wasn't too bad. It was like a peppered ranch.
All the sauces had to be finished too.
I heard this challenge was somewhat spicy beforehand, but I didn't feel that at all. My only issue was that the chicken was hot, as in temperature hot. Unfortunately, with a bucket of chicken, it's never going to cool completely due to all the massive chicken congregated together. I did my best, but you can see in my face a few times the reaction to this. Nothing a little water couldn't take care of, however. Do you think I had what it takes to complete my first chicken finger challenge and get my 150th food challenge win? Keep watching to find out. Thanks once again for tuning in to another food challenge video. If you like what you see, help the channel out by clicking the like button and sharing the video with your friends. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads. Thanks for watching.
Try and get the meat spots. Is that good enough? Okay. Three left. A little under 9 minutes in. Two more. Plus the sauce. Fastest one yet. Last one. This considered good? Yep. Alright. Just gotta swallow it. Ah. 10 minutes and 56 seconds.
Alright, so there you saw it. I finished the Gutbuster Chicken Challenge at Guthrie's in Cleveland, Ohio. I finished in 10 minutes and 56 seconds. They told me that is the new record, I guess. I was not aware of that, but that's great. Gotta say that chicken was very good. I was expecting it to be spicy, but it wasn't. The sauce wasn't spicy either. Sauce wasn't too overpowering, but you know, kind of different that you have to finish the sauces, but got it done. For winning, I did get a cool t-shirt, and they did not have the trophy, but they are going to get me one. And I will also go up on their wall of fame as the new record holder. If you're in the area of Cleveland, Ohio, make sure you come check this place out. It is like a fast food restaurant. They have a drive-thru. If you're feeling up for it, give this challenge a try. Make sure to give them a heads up beforehand. They are not able to do it during their busy times. So for winning that, I did get my 150th restaurant challenge win, which is great. Thanks for watching. I'll see you at the next video.